Good morning, I'm Jaylynn from Sephora Venetian in Las Vegas, and today we're doing my morning skincare routine for dry skin. If you want to know how to have radiant and hydrated skin all day, keep watching. The first step in my morning skincare routine is cleansing. Today I'm using the First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser. This cleanser is a staple at the Sephora Beauty Studio. It's safe for sensitive skin, fragrance-free, and has a creamy texture that makes it really hydrating and non-stripping. I like to use this cleanser also on my shoulders, chest, and back to help with my back knee. I'm using the towel in studio today to remove the cleanser. At home, you're welcome to use your sink, or you can also use your towel if you want to have a somewhat more spa-like experience. Next, I'm using the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, another Beauty Studio staple. These pads provide gentle daily exfoliation with lactic and glycolic acids, cucumber, and Indian gooseberry. These pads help to tone the skin and are a great way to prep the skin for makeup application. So I just swipe one pad all over my face, around my neck, and even underneath my ears to get rid of any possible dirt or texture. Today, for my serum, I'm using the Ulla Henriksen Truth Serum. This is my #1 holy grail skincare product. This serum is packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and helps to naturally stimulate collagen production. It leaves you with brighter, firmer, and healthier looking skin instantly. And honestly, if I could take a bath in this serum, I totally would. It makes my skin so radiant, and I get so many compliments on my skin whenever I use it. Now it's time to moisturize. I am using the Pharmacy Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer with Echinacea Green Envy. It comes with this really handy magnetic spatula on the top that allows you to scoop out just the right amount for your face. This moisturizer is packed with antioxidants and honey, which is a natural humectant. It contains tons of hyaluronic acid and moisturizing butters and oils. I love this product because it's clean, it's free of parabens, sulfates, formaldehyde, and it's great for daytime or nighttime use. It looks absolutely beautiful underneath makeup or by itself, and the honey is actually sustainably sourced. So not only do I feel like I'm using a product that's great for my skin, I'm also using a product that's great for the environment too. Next, I'm going to use the Volition Helix AM/PM Eye Gel. Honestly, I was not a believer in eye creams until I started trying eye gels, and this gel just slides on so easily and sits so beautifully under my concealer. It contains collagen, elastin, and glycolic acid, which hydrate and smooth the under eye area. You can use this eye gel both in the morning and at night, and Volition Beauty is also another clean brand, so there's no formaldehyde or artificial ingredients. It just looks so nice, and I've definitely noticed a difference in how my under eye area looks when I don't use the concealer. It definitely has a much more smooth and less textured look with the gel. Now it's time to apply my sunscreen. Today I'm using the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. I love this sunscreen because it has a gel-like texture and it's very grippable for makeup. It doesn't leave behind a white cast, which is why it's called the Unseen Sunscreen. So it's really easy to layer with foundation or tinted moisturizer or any other complexion product. So I just apply about a dime size amount and gently smooth the SPF over my skin. This will protect me from the sun if I decide to wear other makeup. Last, we know I cannot forget about my lips. Today, I'm using the Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. I do live in a desert, and so my lips are constantly dry. I love this balm because it tastes so yummy. It does taste almost like a caramel syrup on your lips. It contains sugar, apricot kernel oil, black currant seed oil, and grapeseed oil, as well as vitamin E. It provides long-lasting hydration, plumpness, but does not leave the lips sticky, so you can easily put it on before you apply a liquid lipstick, and you don't have to worry about the lipstick sliding all over the place. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more skincare routines like this one, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Sephora YouTube channel. Bye!